Hello viewers, my name is Wahid and today we are going to learn how to define, how to set, how to create OBS in Primavera P6. Click on Enterprise, then click on OBS. Organizational breakdown structure window will appear. Before defining OBS, your concept about OBS must be clear. OBS is a hierarchical model describing the established organizational framework for project planning, resource management, time and expense tracking, cost allocation, revenue reporting, profit reporting, and work management. Okay, now we will take an example of organizational breakdown structure of one company. You can see OBS name. We will enter here OBS name first. That is CEO Mr. Noma. Okay, I will define OBS according to EPS. Actually, we have done EPS in the last video, so you can see last video of EPS. I need to add 3 directors. First will be director, civil Mr. Janki. I will add one more director, that is director engineering Mr. Singh. Add one more. Procurement Mr. Abid. I will add 3 PM under Director Civil Mr. Janki. These 3 PM will be reporting to Director Civil Mr. Janki. First choose that level and then click on add. Now you can use these notes for indent and outdent. I need to sub, so that's why I just use shift right. Okay. First PM Mr. Johan. Second is PM Mechanical Mr. John. Third PM Electrical Mr. Akram. Okay. I will add 2 PM under Director Engineering. PM Installation Mr. PM, his name is you can write Mr. Ali. I'm just giving an example. PM Shutdown Mr. Wakas. Okay. We just take a simple example, okay, of OBS. Like this you can enter OBS of your company, of your organization. Okay, if you want to see chart view, so just click on display, then click on chart view. So this is the chart view of your OBS. If you want to take a print of your OBS, so you can take, just go on display, then click on print preview. You can see the print preview and you can take print of your OBS. Again click on display, then again click on table view. Even you can arrange children's. Let's suppose you want to change first is a director civil and civil Mr. Janki, and you want to arrange children horizontally, so you can change like this. Arrange children horizontally, okay, like this. Again click on display, then click on table view. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and share with your friends, and also subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Thank you so much. See you in next video.